Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I want to show you how to crochet very beautiful and very easy baby blanket pattern with only 2 rows. I start the work with a slip knot and then make chains in a multiple of 7 plus 4. Make 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7, and repeat these groups of 7 chains, and at the end add 4 chain. I made 39 chains, and now start my work. Skip 1, 2 and 3 and go to 4th chain from the hook and make 2 double crochet here. 1 and 2. Then go to next 5 chains and make 1 incomplete double crochet into each of them. Yarn over, go to next chain, yarn over, pull up a loop and pull through 2. Yarn over, go to the next chain, yarn over, pull up a loop and pull through 2. And repeat that work for each of next 3 chains. Now I have 5 incomplete double crochet with 6 loops on the hook. Yarn over and pull through all of them and then make a chain. Now skip next chain and go to the next and make 5 double crochet here. Two, 3, 4 and 5. Now I have a decrease stitch over first 5 chains, 1 chain and an increase stitch into this chain, and we have to repeat this work. Go to next 5 chains and make 1 incomplete double crochet into each of them and then collect them together. 2, 3, 4 and 5. Yarn over, pull through all 6 loops on the hook, make a chain and skip next chain, go to the next and make 5 double crochet here. And again repeat that work. Make 1 incomplete double crochet over each of next 5 chains and yarn over, collect them together, make a chain and skip next chain, go to the next and make 5 double crochet into this chain. And then we have to repeat this work. I repeated that sequence. And now at the end of row 1, after last repeat, make 1 decrease stitch over these 5 chains and make a chain, and I have 2 chain left. Skip the first and make 3 double crochet into last chain. 1, 2 and 3. And row 1 is finished. Now start row 2 with 3 chain and turn the work, and now make 1 front post double crochet around these 2 double crochets. Yarn over, insert the hook around the second stitch of previous row and make 1 incomplete front post double crochet. Again yarn over, go to next double crochet and make 1 incomplete double crochet around that. Now I have 3 loops on the hook, yarn over and pull through all of them. Then make a chain and make 5 double crochet into this chain 1 space here. And after that, skip next stitch, that's a decrease stitch. Okay, go to next stitch, that's a increase stitch with 5 double crochet, and make 1 incomplete front post double crochet around each of these 5 stitches. Yarn over, insert hook around the first stitch of this increase stitch and make 1 front post double crochet. Yarn over, go around the next, yarn over, pull up a loop, pull through 2. Again, yarn over, insert hook around the next, yarn over, pull up a loop and pull through 2 only. One more time, yarn over, insert hook around next stitch and make 1 incomplete front post. And for last time, yarn over and yarn over, pull through 2. Now I have 6 loops on the hook, yarn over and pull through all loops on the hook. And after that, make a chain and go to this chain 1 space and make 5 double crochet here. And after that, we have to repeat this sequence from here until here. Skip next stitch, that's a decrease stitch, and go to next stitch, that's an increase stitch with 5 double crochet, and make 1 incomplete front post double crochet around each stitch of that. Yarn over, insert hook around the first stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop and pull through 2, and repeat that work for each of next 4 stitches. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Yarn over and pull through all loops on the hook, and then make a chain and go to this chain 1 space and make 5 double crochet here. And repeat that work. Again, skip next decrease stitch of previous row and make 1 front post, incomplete front post double crochet around each of these 5 stitches of this increase stitch. Then make a chain and make 5 double crochet into next chain 1 space and skip next decrease stitch and repeat that work until the end of the row. Now I'm at the end of row 2, and after the last repeat, skip the last decrease stitch and go to these 3 double crochets at the end of the row. Make 1 front post double crochet around the first stitch. Again, make 1 incomplete front post double crochet around the next double crochet and make 1 normal incomplete double crochet into 3rd chain of these beginning chains here, and yarn over, pull through all 4 loops on the hook, and row 2 is finished. Now make 3 chain and turn the work to start row 3, and then make 2 double crochet into this first stitch here, 1 and 2, and go to next increase stitch with 5 stitch, and again make 1 incomplete front post double crochet around each stitch of these 5s and collect them together. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Yarn over, pull through all 6 loops, and then make a chain and go to next chain 1 space, make 5 double crochet here, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and we have to repeat this sequence from here until here. Skip this decrease stitch of previous row and go to next 5 stitches and make 1 incomplete front post around each stitch of them. 2, 3, 4, and 5, and collect them together, make a chain and make 5 double crochet into next chain 1 space, and after that skip next decrease stitch 4 and 5. Skip that and repeat this sequence until the end. Now I'm at the end of row 3 and I repeated that sequence, and after last repeat make 1 incomplete front post double crochet around each of these 5 stitches and collect them together and make a chain. Now I'm at the end and make 2 double crochet into this stitch, that's a decrease stitch, into previous row, 1 and 2, and then make 1 double crochet into third chain of beginning chains of previous row, and row 3 is finished. Now make 3 chain and turn the work, and we have to repeat these 2 rows, row 2 and row 3, several times until reach the desired height for the pattern. I repeated those 2 rows, row 2 and row 3, and now this is the front view of my pattern and this is the back view. I hope this video will be useful for you. If you like that, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Have a nice day.